Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your ARCHOS Core 57S, for the first you have to go for the menu and just scroll down to reach the sound recorder. After that we have to accept the permissions and click right here if you want to start the record sounds. So right now we can just take it off and check the quality of our record. So click right here on the slits in the right corner. So let me just check if the volume is set up on the max. Okay, we have to play one more time. And here we got the quality also of this record. And if you want to take it off, you have to click, hold, and then just click on this icon. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.